Hey, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to this nostalchemizing meditation to alchemize your nostalgia and bring all those positive emotions from the past into the present moment so you can enjoy them now. Take a moment to get comfortable, either lying back or sitting upright, and when you feel ready, go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep, slow, powerful breath all the way down into your toes and release it out through your nose and mouth slowly, allowing yourself to decompress and relax as you do. Notice the air on your skin, the temperature and sensation of it. The sounds in the room. Grounding yourself in this moment as you feel the energy in your fingertips with your mental spotlight. And now, if you feel ready, let's hop into our time machine and go into the past. Go ahead and think of a moment, memory, or time period that you enjoy reflecting on. Something that's safe and almost entirely positive, nothing too intense. And as you emerge out of that time machine and into those moments, just be aware of the sensory details which you hear and see and feel and notice. Just enjoy being a part of that moment for a few moments, either interacting with it or just standing back and observing whatever feels intuitively good to you. Just enjoying that. Notice the positive sensations and emotions that might float up like a wellspring into the body as you interact with that. Allow them to flow through your body and aura and amplify, getting effortlessly stronger as you breathe and enjoy those moments. Notice the subtle colors and textures and patterns in which those energies flow through the body, and enjoy that flow effortlessly. And be aware that maybe these moments in time, these memories, acted as a catalyst for those feelings. Maybe they brought them out really powerfully. But sometimes those feelings and emotions can get stuck in those moments as we associate them together. So instead, let's experiment with bringing some of those into the present moment, starting simply by noticing how you can activate those feelings from within anytime you want, just like you're doing now with the power of your mental movie screen. So go ahead and take those powerful flows and feelings with you into the time machine and come back into the present moment with those flowing through you now. And as you emerge back into the present moment now, feel yourself owning their presence, their power within you as part of who you are in this moment. Notice how you can generate them and feel them now and bring them into your life now. That they're maybe not as entirely exclusive to nostalgia and those memories as we sometimes think they are. And I invite you now, still with your eyes closed, to think about how you can enjoy those feelings, whatever they are. Maybe connection, spontaneity, creativity, adventure, whatever they are. Think about ways that you can create those feelings now, within, like you just did, or in your life as you bring them into situations that you want to create now. Just imagining the opportunities and possibilities. And you might make a mental or literal physical note now of how you want to take action on that if it feels good to you. And I would invite you, as you gradually open your eyes now and come back at your own pace, to notice how even if some of those feelings were first experienced in those memories, that they actually are still here within you now as they always were. And you can feel the flow of those energies now if you allow them, for no reason, just because you're alive, and you can bring them and create them and amplify them in this moment. So perhaps carry that intention back with you as you go into your day and enjoy the flow of those energies and feelings, and I wish you an amazing day.